So we're going to create layers for our basic line types. The first thing we want to do is go to Layers Properties, and we have this default layer which is O or 0. We're going to leave that as our object line, and if we click into it, it's going to be continuous and a solid line. We want to create a new layer. We're going to go to this layer where the star was, and we're going to create construction. And with that, we want to change it to red, and we're going to leave it as continuous. We also want to create a center line, and for this tutorial we will use a different color. So I'm going to go with green, and if I click on continuous, I want to change this to a different line type. So we're going to go to load, and we're going to look for center. We're going to scroll down until we get to center. And we're going to use center. Okay. And you're going to click on center and then OK. So you'll see that it changes here. Okay, those are the line types we need right now. Let's add one more for future reference, and we'll have hidden line. And again, we'll go back and we'll change it to a different color just for demonstration. Okay, center. Click on center. We're going to load a new line type, and we're going to scroll down to hidden. And we'll have three types of hidden. You have normal, you have smaller size, that's 0.5, or twice the size, which is 2. We're just going to choose normal hidden for now, unless it's a smaller drawing. Click on hidden, OK. So we'll see hidden for the hidden line, yellow, center line, center, green, construction line, continuous, red. Alright, now I'm going to close that. So I want to start with my construction line, and I'm going to go to construction, and then I'll go to line. I'm going to start my line at 1, so we're 1, tap 1, and I'm just going to extend it. Now my drawing is going to be 8.5, so I'm going to extend it, let's say 9 for now. And I want my line to be horizontal, so it will be 0 in degrees. Click top, and so I have this as my start line. So I want that will represent my baseline that I'm for the start of my height, and I want to offset it. So offset is this tool here, or we can type offset, right, and through, and we'll select the line, or select the object we want to offset, and then we put the distance. So we want to put the distance of 5, right? So it should be 5 right here. If I click top, you'll see that it'll go into the 2 objects. Okay. We'll do this one as well. I'm going to click here, and I'm going to close that. And I'm going to offset through, select my line, offset at 8.5. Okay. Now if I want to trim this, I can use my trim tool, which is this icon here. Or again, we can type in trim, and we're going to cut off the latter half of this. So we're going to select the, oh sorry, we have to come out of offset. We're still in offset. So we're going to go to trim, and if I hover over the part I want to get rid of, so I'm going to delete.